Is it inappropriate or wrong to be burping loudly or passing gas in a meeting?
Enough time to ease up my one on my jaw. And let's talk quietly.
Hey guys! That's so funny. Alright, so hey guys and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video from Life with Tiffy. I know it's been a while since you've seen LaToya on the channel. Oh. If it is your first time coming onto my channel, hi, hello, welcome. This here is LaToya from Life with LaToya. Make sure you're going over to her YouTube channel and check out our video and subscribe and hit the thumbs up button and share. Right? But if it's your first time coming onto Life with Tiffy, be sure to hit the subscribe button down below. Be sure to hit the notification bell so that you may be notified whenever I upload a video. Be sure to hit the thumbs up button because when you hit the thumbs up button, it supports the video and helps the video to reach a larger audience of people. Also, ensure before you go through the door that you share the video with a friend. In today's video, we're going to be sharing scenarios that we deem to be either inappropriate or downright wrong. But you guys can share your comments down in the section. What do you think? Maybe we're wrong. These are just our opinions. We are not specialists on these things. But sometimes
we're human.
If you think that they are wrong, then say it in the comment section. If you feel like it was inappropriate, then also go ahead and say that in the comment section down below. So guys, without any further talking, let's get into today's.
We go first to the question. We're gonna do the rock, paper, scissors.
Alright.
Let's do this. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Always lose on this. I'm faster than her in a race.
Even up to today?
Gosh, you fun.
Even up to today?
Of course. See, man, we can get 150-meter jump and still pass at 100-meter hang. My dog.
Alright guys, if you guys want to see us do a race, if you want to do a race, get this video to 50 likes.
Guys, if we don't want to embarrass ourselves, get the video, this is 60 likes. Let me give her a little 10 more.
Guys, believe or not believe, if you don't want to do the race between LaToya and Tiffy, lining with LaToya and Life with Tiffy.
First thing first, when you really look like a reverse.
We're not going to discuss the running details. We're going to get into this video.
Oh yes. So let's hear what you got.
Alright, so the first scenario is, do you think it's inappropriate or wrong to shave yourself at work? And when I say shave yourself, I mean shave yourself. So shave your arm, shave your pubic, and shave your legs. Is it inappropriate or just wrong to do it at work? So you get to work and realize that, no man, things don't look right. Things don't feel right. Is it wrong or inappropriate to shave at work?
I would say it's inappropriate. The reason I'm not going to say wrong, because you may never know what may come up. You forget to shave, right? You reach at work.
But what could I cause if you want to shave your pubic at work?
Suppose boo-boo say, babe, I'm coming for you after work. We're going to X and Y. And I said, jeez, I'm peeing. Boo-boo, I never shave. Put it on the bathroom and it's not appropriate, but it's not wrong to do it. Like,
alright, I agree. I'm agreeing about the armpits and the legs. Because I'm just thinking, again, I have to think from the end of a married person. If we sleep with a person the night before,
yeah, you must know.
We might look so I didn't shave it back up.
You must go to Paris.
Alright, so guys, what do you think? Is it inappropriate or is it just wrong to shave your ears at work? Your question.
Alright guys, is it inappropriate or outright wrong for your spouse to be correcting you in front of your peers in a public?
Like a friend?
No, just friends that there, regular people that there. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Is it inappropriate or outright wrong for him to do that, him or her to do that?
Lord Jesus, I want that kind of hard. Well, to correct me, as in I was actually wrong. Like, but do something that was blatantly wrong.
Right, you don't approve of it. And like you must say, yo, Tiffany, why you do that for my girl?
Alright, so now that you're going to say it like that, I think how he does it will make it inappropriate or wrong. Because if he's correcting me but in this subtle with it and not try to embarrass me at the same time, or not try to, I'm not to try to embarrass because his spouse should never try to embarrass you, but if when he's doing it, it's not in an embarrassing manner, then nothing is wrong with it. So it's like in a wrong case, right? So, but if boss man are gonna lower up and go and look away, it's definitely wrong. And then in some cases,
What might
it's wrong as in
12
in some cases. So Lord, don't want to bother like that, because that can be wrong and inappropriate and appropriate at the same time. It's a lot of things.
That's true.
Guys, what do you think?
Post in the comment section, guys.
Alright, next one. Spitting on the road. Is it wrong or inappropriate?
Girl, it's just inappropriate. If my mouth full of a spit, I'm not going to walk around with the spit. I'm going to walk around with the spit. I'm going to walk around with the spit. And worse, my stomach easy to get upset. Imagine my mouth full of spit. What must
So, you know better you have it than me stepping at it.
Well, I'm going to try
to know that COVID is going around.
Well, but then it can't be wrong because we still have to get it out. So, my family could spot.
So, exactly. So why can't you?
And
or why can't you put it in a tissue or something? Why have to put it
so, I'm going to tissue. What am I going to do?
Get to us location. Or you put it
No. But it's not outright wrong, but it can be inappropriate. But I'm saying, I have to spit.
Alright. We don't need any examples here. Thank you. Alright, yours.
Alright, so is it inappropriate or outright wrong for your regular friend to be inviting her Christian friend to a club? So suppose I celebrate my birthday and my kids are on club. I'm saying, Tiffany, I want you to come at this club. Well, you know inappropriate songs are going to be played at the club. Is it inappropriate to ask your Christian friend or outright wrong to ask your Christian friend?
I'm going to say it's wrong of you, because that's like asking someone who does not eat a certain thing to eat it and you know that they eat it. It's better to tell me that this is where you're going to do it and then let me make the decision to say, alright, I'll come out or not. Don't say come. You know, better say Tiffany boy, this is where I'm happening up. I know you stand, so it's really up to you if you want to be a part of this or not. And what's funny, guys, I'm telling you one story time quick and fast. I just said it. When I was younger, I remember, God. I moved on from the situation where I just remember this, alright? So I remember that my friends went somewhere without me once, and they didn't say anything to me, and I found out by the way. And I felt so bad, I felt hurt, because I was like, let me your friend, why would you go and not tell me? You know why nobody never invited or anything? And then the response was, because you know you're not going to come. So I was like, but you should have still tell me, I'm going to make the decision myself. Don't just keep it a secret. So
but we know your response is going to be no.
It don't matter if you know, you couldn't have known my response unless you told me. What if me now one part of me, Christian, I feel like, give it up.
I want to go in the club to win, so.
Go away. Alright. The next one. Is it inappropriate or wrong to be burping loudly or passing gas in a meeting? Say in a meeting.
No, that's outright wrong. Nothing can inappropriate. It's outright wrong. Inappropriate, everything can work. Everything.
Why is it wrong?
Raise your hand and say, excuse me, I'm going. Can imagine when I did that talk and said, guys, we need to. Oh, what a smell like. I said, Tom, is that you? And Tom said no, but I said no, it's just outright wrong.
But is it right for you to be asking who it is?
Yes.
Why is it right for you?
I'm almost punished. But yeah, that can't be appropriate. It's just wrong completely.
Yes.
What are your thoughts? Oh, you look like you let us have a meeting.
When I have meetings. Let me tell you. I'm gonna say it depends, because if it's like day, when we're rapping, when things start happening, we don't know what I want. Imagine me, I disrupt the meeting so many times to get up to go out. Excuse me. 5 minutes later, excuse me.
Guys, with my personality, no, like, seriously, guys. Today I really work with. So if someone leave often, just bear with me, alright? They must giggle and smile also.
Not everybody's that I don't know.
They better be, you know? Because
let me tell you. Okay, so guys, I don't know. It would depend for me. Like if I one off, I would say wrong. Just get up and leave. But if you tell me that movement, I don't think you should be disrupting the meeting so many times.
Not saying me not do it feeling. Enough time I ease up my one on my jaw, on my jaw, and I told it quietly. So yeah, but it's just wrong, right? Alright, so my other question is no. This is something that I've always want to ask, right?
What you know?
If it's inappropriate or outright wrong for your friend or any female for that matter, to be visiting your husband at home without your permission.
Alright. When you said visiting, ing in the English context refers to continuous. So this sounds like something that is happening more than once.
Right.
That is wrong.
And or inviting your husband for dinner or lunch without your permission.
That is wrong. Because what's your motive?
Alright, so me being your best friend, just say, Sean, come over, get 2 burgers and we're just gone. And we just show up and say, Sean, you good? Yeah, come keep watch 2 TV. So that would be wrong of me without letting you know.
Wait, you kick back because you're away from Pomo?
No, me I chill with Sean.
Are you not trying to like that? Like, first of all, my husband don't like to chill and watch TV with many people, right? Even if somebody's here, he prefer to do more active things. Because even if they don't watch TV, he will chat it out anyway. Right? So if you want to tell me, so my husband doesn't want you to come back and kick it back and chill, they never come you and him. So it's wrong. Wrong.
I think it's wrong too.
Wrong.
Trust me.
Wrong bound.
Wrong bound.
Yes.
Who's that?
Alright. Is it inappropriate or wrong to be eating food off your partner's finger in public?
I just think it's inappropriate. Because listen good. The reason I'm married to him now because God joined us together. And that means that we can do anything we want. We're legal.
Okay.
So I'm saying, honey, let me taste the thing.
No, we're not talking like that. We're talking like, and it being also nothing.
No, we would say it wrong. We would say inappropriate, but we're not saying outright wrong.
Okay.
Guys have a spice of a relationship. You might tell you?
Okay, fair. I agree. I can't wait to
at 20 years, me know my or 18. 18 years.
Okay.
Because we eated.
Alright.
Yes. Alright, is it inappropriate or outright wrong for anybody, mother, guardian, to discipline their children in front of their peers? This still kind of lead back to husband and spouse talking, whatever. So is it inappropriate or outright wrong? For example, the child may never take off the underwear off the line. Kids say, yeah, they like a panty down on the line. I'm going to bust their bottom when I reach home. Is that inappropriate or outright wrong for that adult to do?
Alright, in that specific scenario, I would say that's inappropriate. No, that's wrong.
It's wrong.
Yeah, don't do that. Because that's something that happened at home, and so you still have time, you can deal with it at home. No, I was look it's appropriate when we were different a while ago, I can tell you the truth, because I was just thinking, if in the moment the child does something that deserves discipline in the moment, it's not wrong.
Yeah, she back answer you.
Right there, we corrected it, or we're nipping it in the bud. We're nipping, nip, yeah.
Alright, so
Next
you're
thing-
saying
next thing next week.
It's wrong.
It's
And
wrong.
you know, I
Because
think
you
it's wrong
can't affect
too.
the child.
Exactly.
Oh gosh, feelings and emotions, and you don't want to be hurting while disciplining. And when you're disciplining,
I know
so that
children
they
can be
grow.
bullies. So it's a, hey, your mother did slap me. I said, hey, your mother did. Yeah, like, so it's
Okay,
it's,
so for
it's
that
wrong.
reason, we were gonna say it's wrong. Our opinion is that it's wrong.
Right.
Alright, is it inappropriate or wrong to speak up to your boss in a meeting because they disrespected you and no, because they disrespected you or you feel as though you were disrespected? Is it wrong or inappropriate?
Like off scene, we just say, yo, tell her, you know you feel, won't tell her. But guys, I think it's wrong. I think it's wrong. Whatever you do, no matter how the circumstances is or are, you can find a way to deal with it. You can't just blurt out your emotions like that. So after the meeting, you can tell the boss that you need to speak to her. And then go and have a meeting and tell her,
So even though the boss will talk to you bad in the meeting.
yeah. And then when I go in and talk to her now, when I come back to my friend and say, yo, I just go back up that tonight meeting. Until I say, yo, don't do that. But really and truly, I'm going to say, boss, you know, I never really like that. And I, you know, whatever. But when I come to my friend and I say, yo, make sure you know. Don't talk to me so worse in front of my co-workers. Then you're right.
Okay. Alright.
So
with all of that, I would say it's wrong. Don't do that because the boss is a superior, and no, tell the truth too. He only a write your own eulogy. You know that, right?
Unless you're sure say you win the lotto or something, and you can leave anytime you want.
Oh, yeah, so on a job in another country. Because they will just hold it up their own country. So, for that case, wrong. When you hold the handle and you have the no. When you have the blade and you have the handle, just quietly with water and take it. You're easy.
So my other question is: it inappropriate or outright wrong? For example, because people do this and you're eating your food and your friend, or sometimes if your friend, just regular co-worker where you're not really close, to just come and say, oh baby, is that chicken enough? And just take it out of your plate. It is inappropriate. Wrong. You can't finish.
Wrong. What's a section? Wrong. That's my food. And that's your hand. You can't put your hand in my food.
But even me as a friend, Mr. Tiffany, what is? I'm taking it out.
That's all, yeah. Listen to me.
Guys, should have like hurt my feelings.
No. The reality is it's wrong. So even though I may not say, sorry, I have to do that. And I don't think you do it because you've never done that. Because you wait to be acknowledged. Then, yeah, it's wrong. Don't do that. You can't put under somebody's food.
Yeah, trust me, wrong. Wrong.
Some of y'all just be all your nose.
Girl, I would be loved to.
No.
Yeah, it's wrong. It's wrong.
Alright. The next one. Is it inappropriate or wrong to do a number 2 on the roadside?
See, it's inappropriate. I can't say
roadside, you know, what am I saying? Far away bushes. Roadside. Highway, roadside.
Listen, but I'm going to do it roadside, I'm going to do it on a person that can walk around with it. It's inappropriate, but we can't say it wrong. Guys, sometimes you go, you have to go. And it's up to marry, you have to stop at one gas station.
Gas station, but you use the toilet.
Yeah, but suppose the gas station people will say, come in, use it. I would have to use the road. Find somewhere where, you know, enclose and hide and do it.
Me guys, that wrong. But say go by the bushes because somebody has to clean up that, you know. Remember they have people clean the road and oh God, man.
Nature! Nature takes its course.
Alright, for me, wrong. Don't do that.
It's wrong, guys. No, we need to know. If you think it's inappropriate or wrong to pass your stool on the roadside, tell the guys in the
not nearby bushes, you know, roadside.
No, but no, you're not stressed. No, me that said
I said roadside in the beginning.
Alright, we still have to stick to it inappropriate. Because if you have got to go, you gotta go, huh?
Alright, so it's your time and then I have a last one.
Alright, so this is my last question. Alright? So is it inappropriate or outright wrong for couples, partners, to be touching each other's private parts in public? Is it inappropriate or outright wrong?
When it's a private place?
Private parts. Like your breasts, your vajayjay, your peeny weedy. Like we said, babes, what I want. Is that? Let me show you what I
thought. Oh wait, where is
it? In public, in the bus stop and him just say,
it depends on the level of the touch. If it's a touch and go, it's okay.
Like the prank when you're trying to do it.
No.
Guys, you want to see that prank there?
Oh yeah, I'll put it in the description below. But it depends on the level. If it's becoming too sexual, of course it's wrong. It can be levels. So it can be wrong, inappropriate, and okay. Because
no, you have to choose one.
Alright, then I would say inappropriate. I would not say wrong.
We say inappropriate, so
yeah.
Can't say that wrong.
Alright, my last one. Guys, Latoya, is it inappropriate or wrong to deliberately not wipe after doing a number 2? And this is a practice. This is not a one-off time, it's a practice.
Listen, guys, that wrong. Like, why you come up with that question here?
That's an answer question.
Is this a rhetorical question? Because it can't be a real question you're asking me. Have you ever passed your school?
No!
Guys, I even urinate methyl white. Much less. Like, who does that?
People.
Somebody stop!
People do it.
Oh my gosh. No, guys.
What do you say? Is it wrong or inappropriate?
I said it's wrong.
Oh, yes, it's wrong. You can't say funky.
Funky? That's a piece of shit. I really wipe something.
No. nails are no nails. You girls be, you gotta be
And who
wiping.
you wipe with them nails then too?
How other people wiping not nails. Easy wipe this. Cover right above. Full, protect.
So guys, anytime you have on nails, your girl not eat.
Ask me that question.
My eye read that. But I don't know who said that. You
Oh,
said that
you-
was my
okay.
last question.
Alright,
I
so-
make a point right now. I'm good for
No, that's right. I have a bonus one for the guys here, and this way I know if you watch to the end of the video. Alright. Is it
Yeah, shall laugh for it together.
inappropriate or wrong to use your hand to wipe and then wipe it on the wall?
Yeah, I regularly do that as a joke, guys. This
That is happening all the time, friends.
Hello. I saw mommy here to say.
Yo, comment if you've ever seen that in the bathroom at school. You know if you go on a
And somebody
Jamaican
take
school.
time for doodle something.
Some
Some graffiti there. Like, no, I've never done that. I will never do it.
No.
So, no. It's funny, wake up with them question. You just like sick the story.
Anyway, okay.
Ciao.
Guys, thank you so much for tuning into today's video. Be sure that you hit the thumbs up button if you enjoyed the video. Share it with a friend, and guys, definitely remember to leave your comments. Like I always say.
Remember to them to subscribe.
Oh, of course. I'm so
Always
sorry.
remember to subscribe.
Make sure you
guys.
subscribe.
If the word look red, that means you haven't clicked it yet. So
Yes.
click it till the red gone.
And then agree, and then don't click it again.
Don't click it.
Leave it.
Once it come off a red, that's it.
Hold up.
Alright?
Yes.
That's it.
So guys, I will always say, be sure to tell a friend, to tell them friends, to tell all of them friends to subscribe to Life with Tiffy.